The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a whisper in the rumor mill. It has stepped into the real world, and this time the proof feels solid. We are not talking about blurry factory shots or questionable screenshots passed around in obscure forums. We are talking about real hands-on footage shared by an official DJI-authorized store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. That alone shifts the tone from speculation to something far more serious. When a retailer with an official connection shows a product publicly, even briefly, it carries weight. According to the store, a customer walked into their shop at Fahrenheit 88 in Bukit Bintang and casually showed them the device. Imagine that moment. A camera the entire creator community has been waiting for suddenly appears in your hands, powered on, running smoothly, looking fully finished. The staff recorded a short 33-second video and uploaded it to their official Instagram account on February 15, 2026. Short, simple, but powerful. And then, just as quickly as it appeared, the video vanished. That disappearance made the situation even more intriguing. Ahead of major launches, we often see carefully managed leaks. These are not rough prototypes or unfinished test shells. They are products that look refined, packaged, and running what appears to be final software. That is exactly the impression this leak gave. The device did not look experimental. It looked ready. In terms of design, there is no radical departure from what made the series successful. The familiar vertical gimbal layout remains intact, preserving the identity that started with earlier models like the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That consistency is reassuring because it signals confidence rather than desperation to reinvent. The form factor still appears compact and travel-friendly, clearly aimed at creators who want something fast, lightweight, and convenient. However, subtle refinements stand out. One of the most noticeable details is the addition of more physical buttons on the grip. That may sound minor, but it addresses a real frustration from previous users who often had to tap through menus mid-recording. Dedicated buttons mean quicker changes, smoother transitions between modes, and fewer interruptions while capturing spontaneous moments. For vloggers or travelers shooting on the move, those seconds matter. Another visible upgrade is the integrated LED light positioned near the camera module. Unlike a fixed light awkwardly attached to the body, this one appears mounted on a small adjustable arm with hinge movement. That means users can angle it depending on the scene. For low-light indoor vlogging or night street shots, flipping out a built-in light instead of attaching an external accessory feels like a practical and thoughtful improvement. There are also pricing expectations circulating based on retailer chatter and supply chain leaks. The standard model in the United States is rumored to land between $549 and $649, with higher bundles possibly ranging from $699 to $799. If accurate, that positions it slightly above its predecessor, but still within reach for serious hobbyists and semi-professional creators. The value proposition will depend heavily on how meaningful the upgrades feel in daily use. One interesting detail spotted in the leak was a shooting mode labeled Supero. The name instantly sparked discussion because of its similarity to terminology associated with GoPro cameras. On those devices, enhanced automatic modes often combine HDR processing and intelligent noise reduction depending on the scene. If DJI's version functions similarly, it could signal stronger behind-the-scenes computational photography. For everyday users, that translates to better footage without diving into manual settings. What this leak truly communicates is momentum. The interface looked polished. The packaging appeared retail-ready. Historically, when DJI products reach this stage publicly, an official reveal is not far behind. At this point, it feels less like guessing and more like counting down. Meanwhile, the competitive landscape is heating up. During an annual company meeting, the CEO of Insta360 briefly revealed a mysterious new camera. The glimpse lasted only seconds, but it was enough to ignite speculation across social media. Soon after, a trusted leaker known as Iger shared clearer photos and extra details on X initially. Many assumed the features belonged to a DJI Pocket 4 Pro variant. That theory spread quickly before being corrected. The device, it turns out, carries a different name entirely, Insta360 Luna. The more information that surfaces, the clearer it becomes that Luna is positioned directly against DJI's Pocket gimbal dominance. Some creators are already calling it a Pocket 4 killer. That might sound dramatic, but the rumored specifications justify the excitement. A hands-on style video from X Drone Studio showed impressive sample footage, though the actual camera body was intentionally blurred. That choice felt deliberate, almost as if Insta360 wanted to demonstrate performance while keeping design secrets hidden. The portrait clips displayed strong subject separation and natural background blur, suggesting either a larger sensor or sophisticated computational processing. If accurate, this indicates serious internal hardware paired with advanced image optimization. Rumors suggest Luna could shoot 4K at up to 240 frames per second, bringing powerful slow-motion capabilities into a compact body. Add 10-bit color support, and creators gain smoother gradients and better dynamic range. Stabilization is reportedly handled by a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal, combining mechanical smoothness with intelligent tracking. Built-in AI features may assist with auto-framing and quick edits, speeding up content production for short-form platforms. Battery life is rumored at around 180 minutes using a 1500 mAh battery, which would be strong endurance for such a device. USB-C charging, a rotating touchscreen, optional ND filters, and even a dual-lens system featuring a telephoto option with up to 3 times optical zoom have all been mentioned. If Luna indeed features a dual-processor system with a pre-ISB chip cleaning raw sensor data before final processing, that could dramatically improve noise control and balanced exposure. A dedicated light sensor analyzing real-time conditions might activate enhancements only when necessary. On paper, it sounds like a carefully engineered competitor. The pros appear compelling: advanced slow motion, cinematic depth, intelligent stabilization, and flexible zoom. However, unanswered questions remain. The full hardware design is still concealed. Real-world performance may differ from controlled samples. Pricing strategy will ultimately determine how aggressively Insta360 challenges DJI. While this rivalry builds, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 continues to hold strong in 2026. When it launched, the base model was priced around $519, with a creator combo reaching approximately $799 depending on region. That bundle included accessories such as a wireless microphone, battery handle, and tripod. Even today, discounts occasionally make it appealing for newcomers. The Pocket 3's greatest strength remains its 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization. Unlike purely digital stabilization in smartphones, this system physically compensates for motion, resulting in cinematic smoothness. The 1-inch sensor marked a significant upgrade, delivering improved low-light performance and dynamic range compared to earlier models. Its rotating 2-inch touchscreen simplifies switching between landscape and vertical formats, ideal for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Autofocus and subject tracking perform reliably, keeping subjects centered even when moving. Audio quality improves significantly when using the wireless mic included in higher bundles. However, there are limitations. The price may feel high compared to using an existing smartphone. The camera is not waterproof without additional housing. The gimbal mechanism, while powerful, is delicate compared to rugged action cameras. Extended 4K recording can also generate heat, potentially pausing performance during long sessions. Despite smartphone improvements, the Pocket 3's combination of a mechanical gimbal and larger sensor still makes it unique. For creators seeking cinematic handheld motion in a pocketable form, it remains highly relevant. As we look toward the imminent arrival of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the ambitious challenge from Insta360 Luna, 2026 feels like a defining year for compact creator cameras. Controlled leaks, disappearing videos, blurred prototypes, and strategic teasers all signal a shifting landscape. Whether Luna can truly dethrone DJI remains uncertain. What is clear, however, is that competition is intensifying, innovation is accelerating, and creators stand to benefit the most from this escalating battle in the pocket gimbal arena.